everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about something you might not see every day, but it's powering the systems that keep the world moving. It's called IIoT, or the Industrial Internet of Things. If you've heard of IoT for smart homes, this is like that, but for factories, power plants, farms, and more. Let's take a look. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Let's break it down. IoT stands for Industrial Internet of Things. It involves machines, sensors, and equipment that are connected through the cloud or cellular networks, sharing data in real time. So instead of just connecting your smart thermostat, you're connecting things like robotic arms, conveyor belts, tractors, wind turbines, even oil rigs. Why does that matter? Because with IIoT, industries can predict when equipment will fail before it actually does, monitor systems remotely, automate complex operations, and optimize everything from energy use to crop yields. It makes industrial operations much smoother. That's why it's growing fast, especially with the rise of 5G and edge computing. So that's IIoT. Fewer breakdowns, more automation, and a smarter way to run the things that keep the world running. If you're interested in a deeper dive into IIoT, hit that bell icon and make sure you're subscribed. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.